Hi everybody, we're gonna open Owlcrate Jr.'s July box. Creativity conquers all. Creativity conquers all. Here's the one picture, here's the second picture, here's the full picture. And there is no exclusive cover because I just saw that on accident. Okay? On accident. I didn't invent to see this. Oh yeah, that looks cool. This time we have more paper. Ooh. What's this? What? Oh, it's a pencil holder where you can put all your pencils in here, and then you can pull them out whenever you want and write with it. Here's what it makes.
Oops.
Whoa, that's cool.
That's beautiful.
Yep, beautiful. Just gonna do it like that. And there. Ooh. Just make a mark and see where it takes you. Peter H. Reynolds, I think.
Reynolds?
Reynolds.
You want to open it?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a tin. Ooh. It looks like the block crayons I have. Ooh.
What is it?
Paint?
Oh my gosh.
What the?
I heard
You can put stuff here. You can put mini brushes here. Little thing. You can mix their colors here. I love it.
That's perfect for nature journaling.
And you can also take this out.
Very cool.
Love it.
Was that all that was in the box?
Yep, that's all that I saw.
Where's the box? So, oops, sorry. Mom, you moved the camera. Make sure.
Okay.
There's something in the box. Yep, that's why it's not going in.
Oh, here's a paintbrush. It's like a pen.
It's let me see it. Hold it out. Let me see.
A paint pen.
Oh, it's a watercolor brush. You put the water in it.
Oh, and the water absorbs in here.
And so that way you don't, when you're out and you don't have like a cup of water for your brush for watercolors.
Cool. Oh, and you put the water in here.
Yeah.
And you just squeeze it out.
Yeah. How cool is that?
Cool EOs.
I think we're gonna have to take that on vacation.
Because we're going to Alaska.
Yeah, we can totally paint something there.
More tape?
Let me see this one.
Pattern Party washi tape. Cool. Here you go. There it is.
Very cool. You love when you get the washi tape.
Yeah. Ooh, we always get bookmarks too. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou. What? Cool.
Isn't she one of your favorites?
Yeah. It's a little notebook. Ooh, it's cardstock.
It's a cardstock or watercolor paper?
Oh, think? Watercolor.
If it feels thick, I'm guessing that's really what thick. It is.
Really thick.
Because that's going with us too.
Writing stories is a kind of magic too. Cornelia Funk, I think.
Okay, I'll check it later. Very cool. Oh, wait, let me see that again. That's so beautiful. Oh, I love that.
And we're on to the book finally.
Here we are.
Oh, it is an exclusive.
Is it?
Edition.
Cool.
Kiki and the Kallira breaks. Wait, what?
You want me to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Kiki Kallira breaks a kingdom.
Kiki Kallira.
Kallira? I hope I'm saying that right.
Breaks a kingdom. I love that little sticker in the back.
Oh,
So
get it out so we can
adorable.
see it without the glare. That is so cute.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell everybody what you do with the stickers?
Yeah. So if you ever get your first Owlcrate, the first Owlcrate ever made,
I think they don't have it. I think you have to order it on their website now. Mm-hmm.
you get order on their website, and you get a sticker book, and when you're done with that book, or before you read it, you can put each sticker in it.
So what do you do? Which one do you do?
After.
After you read the book, you put the corresponding sticker in the book, right? Oh my, that is amazing.
We're definitely gonna read this book next.
Okay.
It sounds good.
Yeah. What is that?
The signature.
Oh, I like it because it has a picture on it.
They always do.
No, not do they? I thought those sometimes they didn't. And did you get the note from the author?
Yeah. Nope, from the author.
Very
I
cool.
can't read in cursive, so
It's
you know
okay.
that, so.
All right, you want to show everybody the book?
Dun da da dun dun.
All right.
Kiki may have drawn a whole imaginary world to
Let me see. I can't see it. Into existence. I'm sorry. I was trying to see where you were.
But does she have the power to erase its most wicked villain? Love it.
Oh, yeah, right. That is our next read. Yep.
Everything's just piled up over here.
That's okay.
And one thing's over there.
And what is next, Hans?
The theme of August Owlcrate Junior is moonlight and stars.
That looks so good.
Dive into a world of darkness and light next month. This box is a celebration of the moon and stars. Our August book is an illumination fantasy tale full of fierce characters and mystery and moonlight. This story will be perfect for fans of The Forest of Stars, Seraphine and the Black Cloak, and Sweep.
Can I see the front of that so I can see the sneak peek? Love it. Oh.
Oh, and that reminds me, there's another box just that has a theme kind of like it. It's like vampires and
Oh,
something
yes,
else.
that was a while
And it
back.
came with the puzzle.
Oh, yeah, that was a while back. All right.
And if you want
That's the author. Mm-hmm. You want to show us the spotlight? I can't. You have to hold it with two hands open. Very cool.
So my mom accidentally pressed
End.
end. So
Oh,
there's
sorry for the
no.
little...
It doesn't show you the exclusive cover, but there is.
Okay.
So
Because it was a sticker,
exclusive.
right?
Yeah.
The sticker on the book said
Yeah,
that.
Sam and Fable, Pages and Co, and the Gannon. Those are the ones that would go with good. If you like it. Okay, that's it. Bye.